Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I'm back at Walt Disney World. We have just checked into the Grand Floridian. We are in the Conch building on the 5th floor, and we are in a 2-queen deluxe room. And I like it because it has a little bit more space and an extra living area if you need that for your family. So let's go take a peek. It's $75.06. Let's go. All right, so you see we have the 2 queen beds here. And then we have a desk, chest of drawers, flat screen TV, another sitting area, and I'll take you back to the entryway with the bathroom area in just a moment. Let's take a closer look here at the Grand Floridian queen beds. A beautiful side table with a phone, charger, USB cord, and then these light switches, of course, turn off the lights next to the bed, so that's really convenient. And then our desk area here, of course, has a mirror, and there's our Keurig coffee pot, iced container, to-go cups for our coffee and our pods. And this desk pulls out if you really need to work while you're on vacation. You've got the table, so that's really nice. Let's check out the chest of drawers. A lot of space here on the cabinet. I see USB plugs underneath. And here is our enhanced cleaning guide. Disney has done everything to keep us safe with COVID going on. Our remote control has been sanitized and cleaned and wrapped. Love that. And here at the Grand Floridian, we can also order in-room dining, which is nice. Now, let's look. We've got drawers here, lots of space all the way down. And then we've got a dorm size refrigerator. We stopped downstairs and got a few sundries. We've got half gallon of milk, some Coke Zero for Mom, and some water. So it holds quite a bit there. All right, and then we have our recycle, our chair, another lamp. And now let's go into our bonus room. That is why we call this room Deluxe, because you've got more space with a extra sofa and another TV. And before we do that, let's look at this ceiling. These are vaulted ceilings, which I'm so impressed with. Love that. We are on an end room, and that makes it really nice. Now here's your deluxe room. You've got a chair, ceiling fans, drapes, an end table. My husband Scott is here. Scott, does that bed pull out to a sofa sleeper? And this is the sofa here, and my husband Scott is going to show us how we can pull it down to be enough for a 5th sleeper. Wow, look at that. So if you've got a young child that needs almost a twin size bed, that's an easy solution. Great, thank you, Scott. I love the drapes. And then we've got another lamp, flat screen TV, more space in here. Awesome. I assume your remote control, Scott, was wrapped and sanitized?
Yep.
Awesome. Very good. And now let's move back towards the front of the room and look at the closet area and the bathroom. All right, one of the things I love are the hardwood floors here. 2-person sink, which is very nice. Large mirror with Grand Floridian touches. We've got a lighted makeup mirror, tissues, towel rack down here. Trash can, laundry basket, linens, and Alice. Love that. And we have H2O bath products. Facial soap here. And then you have a full-length mirror in the potty area. Turn the light on for us. Shower curtain, a tile, and again H2O bath products for you, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion or body wash. Okay, very good. Now let's go across and look at the closet area. We have a blanket and extra linens, plenty of hangers. We have a hair dryer and then a safe for our valuables with more storage. Let's go to the other side. We came in and went straight to Magic Kingdom, so we put our belongings in the closet. So we've got that here for you. All right, so quite a nice room. I love the size. I love that it sleeps 5, and we are going to be very comfortable this week. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. I'll take great care of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell for notifications. I'll see you real soon.